Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to predict a poem by looking at the given pictures, comprehend simple questions related to the given pictures, read the poem aloud in the class, respond to the text post-reading to express how they take the poem, comprehend and respond to simple questions, pronounce and spell simple words with silent letters K and W, pronounce, identify and articulate silent letter words of K and W. Use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express opinions in simple sentences. Creatively comprehend the text from the book and write it in their own words. Fill in the missing information from the text to complete a simple paragraph. Create their own sentences of the given words. Take dictation of familiar words studied in class. Recognize and enhance vocabulary for better creative writing. Complete the missing letters in correct order to make silent letter words of K and W. Identify and recognize the function of nouns. Recognize the function of joining words. Use joining words and, or, and, but to show addition, alternative, and contrast within a sentence. Use because to express reason. Identify and recognize the function of transitional devices. Firstly, secondly, finally, etc. Read information in a pictogram and pie chart. And finally, write guided, short, informal invitations to friends and family members to demonstrate the use of the following conventions: purpose, date and time, venue, name of addressee, and sender.